Hi, I'm Ty Ash with Houseworks Collective and Compass, and this series is going to be all about the buyer's journey here in the Milwaukee area. You've decided you want to own your home. Really, you got to start looking into what area would you like to live in? What does your budget look like? What are your needs versus your wants? These are all things you should really establish by yourself, with your partner, other people who are helping make that decision with you before you really start reaching out to that agent. You're probably already familiar with a lot of tools out there, whether it be Zillow, Trulia, where you can start looking at listings online. My recommendation to you, don't look at everything that's out there that's active. Most likely that's the stuff that's just sitting out there that others don't want or might not be priced appropriately. Look at the last 6 months of what has actually sold in your market in the area that you'd like to live in, and see, are your needs and your wants realistic? Now that you've taken the time to go and explore what's out there on the market and check out some listings online, it's time to partner with that agent and get started on your journey finding a home.